What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard. This is Oscar, and in today's live, we're just gonna have a cool chat about Shiba Inu, this cryptocurrency that rose all the way to the moon, and now it seems to be coming back down. And I'm gonna talk to the Shiba Army right now. I'm pretty sure that you guys are gonna be here for a while, but anyway, just gonna have a great conversation and see what is going on with this beauty, because definitely it is something that I'm sure people expected at some point, and even the Dogecoin millionaire, I saw his tweet saying, "Hey, you better not start buying at that moment." I was looking at his threads, I was looking at his post, and well, I'm like, okay, it's fine. I mean, as you know, guys, I did buy a little bit of Shiba. I'll tell you more in detail. I'll tell you way more. We're just kind of chilling right now. How you doing, everybody? Welcome, AJ2. Welcome aboard, buddy. This live is all about Shiba Inu. Earlier today, I had an Algorand video. Thank you guys for supporting. But this is just to talk to any of my Shiba Inu followers, subscribers, and the army, of course. And I'll tell you everything, guys, and have a great conversation for a while. And that's about it. I have my price prediction chart analysis here with my Fibonacci retracements. And well, to start, you guys are incredible. Like Shiba Inu stayed on top of Coinbase for like what? Like 3 days starting Sunday. Like you guys can see right now, Coinbase and Shiba Inu right now is the top one, but losing, right? So it is what it is, guys. Not surprised, but it's okay. I mean, I think a lot of people knew this was kind of gonna happen. Josue, how you doing? Swamp Crawler, Jaime Big, AJ2, what up, guys? Sure, will go up again. I'm keeping my Shib, not selling my 46 million. I just bought 50,000 more. Wow, there you guys have it. And that is precisely one of the things I also want to share, just my opinions, right? To start with this live, one thing I want to share with you guys is this is not the first time we've seen this. It is not the first time we've seen this. The only meme coin or dog coin that we've seen in the past, it's Dogecoin, right? That's the only one I've seen so far. And Dogecoin did pull back a lot, but it came back to go ahead and show you this. Dogecoin was the one that had a correction, heavy correction in the early stages, then came back up. I was there, I saw it. It was early 2021. What I can tell you is like the community, this is a big one for the community, and definitely could, as you guys are saying, I mean, why is it dropping down? Because people are realizing profits. Eventually, you need to realize profits. That's what they're doing. And ideally, buying low, selling high. What do you guys think? Hey, Ricky, welcome aboard. I'm all in on block. No one talking about it. Yeah, there's so many out there. What's up, you guys? Happy swing traded profits. Exactly. That's what people are doing. I mean, I guess, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at the technicals, because this is exactly what's going to tell us what's going on. The last time I analyzed Shiba Inu here in the channel, the price was 4 zeros and 25. At the moment, is 4 zeros and 21, which means that in less than a day, or in 1 day or so, it came all the way up and it's, I mean, coming back down according to the Fibonacci levels. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Nice, my audio is good. We'll be here for a while. What's up, guys? Shiba will never hit 1 cent. I mean, that is up for discussion, right? I honestly, guys, I have a very, very small position on Shiba Inu, but I'm a Shiba Inu holder. Yes, I am. I can say that I'm a Shiba Inu holder, but we all understand how much risk we want to realize or we want to have. And I've decided that for myself. You guys have to do it too. Welcome, everyone. If you are watching this video, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Thank you very much. We talk about stocks, Roth IRA, cryptocurrencies. And today we got a special one since the beautiful Shiba Inu for a lot of people. Look at this beauty from the top. Let's go ahead and take a look here. 4 zeros and 35. That was the top it reached earlier today on the 7th. And then it started dropping down. And let's go ahead and get closer a little bit here. What up, guys? As we get closer, he will start seeing the massive sell-off. So that is one big thing. That means that there's just so much people making money. Like, I think this is good. Why is it good? Because eventually you want to get money. Right? I'm saying for the guys who are actually trading this thing. What do you guys think? It will need a market cap of 3.7 trillion, which will make it the second most valuable asset in the world behind gold. So no, it will never reach 1 cent. Jesus is God. That makes sense. Do you think Shiba will ever reach zero? What is that? 3 zeros and 1? Honestly, guys, Shiba Inu right now, it seems by everything that they post on Twitter, the support they have, the massive collaborations they are having with influencers online. This is a hype type of movement cryptocurrency. As we see with Dogecoin earlier this year, not many people really was looking for Dogecoin right at the beginning of the year, but now people are taking a look. AMC even. So, well, up for discussion, right? Up for discussion. Yeah, I mean, absolutely. Let's go ahead and ask the chat. Welcome everyone who is joining here. Let's ask you guys and see what you guys have to say. 1 cent. Let's go ahead and see. Will Shiba ever reach 1 cent? Asking to the community. Let's see what the community has to say. Welcome aboard, guys. Having a nice, relaxing Thursday, analyzing Shiba Inu rise. You have to understand that from the Fibonacci retracement we see at the beginning of the pump that it had earlier this year. Let me go ahead and show you. If I click year to date, now you're seeing that the pump for Shiba Inu was on May the 10th, and that pump was huge. Like, I'm sorry guys, I don't even know how many zeros there is, but that's a lot. That's like 405. Okay, it was close getting it with the price that you guys like Shiba Inu got earlier this week. It still is a great great growth, to be honest with you. It's great growth, absolutely. Take a look at the RSI. What does it say? It says that it's extremely overbought right here. Extremely overbought. At that indication, guys, people immediately are starting to sell. Immediately. So let's say you are a new investor who just happens to be watching this video right now. From my experience trading cryptocurrencies, once you see a price or once you see the RSI, okay, this is an indicator that helps us understand the momentum, if it's bullish or bearish. If it's above this line, this dotted line or dashed line, it means that it's overbought. If it's under this line, it means that it's oversold. So typically you want to buy a cryptocurrency when it's around this level, when it's oversold. That way you get the most profits. If people are buying at this level, sad to say, it's gonna be very tough. Santa Fe Mike 99, welcome aboard, my man. VIP member right here. Still buying AMP while at 4 cents today. Greetings from Galveston County. Thank you, Santa Fe. Appreciate it. AMP Token Army, of course. So yeah, guys, definitely that is just a couple of the rules that we have for trading cryptocurrencies, if that's in your purview. So let's go ahead and add here so everybody can take a look at this. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Fibonacci retracements. I always like to add it from the top all the way down, and it's gonna be somewhere around here. I mean, honestly, great job on the Shiba Inu army by getting to the golden ratio. You guys, I mean, the entire Shiba Inu army got to the golden ratio, which is 0.61. That is the golden ratio. That is really precisely where you want to be selling or making your moves, and it was reached. Only the people who take a look at this and trade it smartly are the ones who are making the most money. I've seen it over and over and over again where, sadly but true, people buy by FOMO, fear of missing out, and they are left behind. There are many examples of that. ACH, Alchemy Pay, Polymath, AMP Token, even let's say Ethereum too. So you have to understand that if you want to make money cryptocurrencies, yes, buying early helps, and yes, having the guts to buy it helps too. Why? Because honestly, oftentimes, to be honest with you guys, I'm not that risky because I'm like a passive investor when it comes to crypto. But I've seen many people just go for it, and I admire those people because typically they are the ones who get the most money. Of course, they are putting themselves in a bigger risk, but yes, at the end of the day, you have to be early, you have to be smart, you have to buy when it's oversold, and that's when you get the most money, guys. Jack Donovan, I've already made money on it. Great job, Jack. That's the idea on this: making money, getting out. A couple of the thoughts that I was having with Shiba Inu was like, this is a cash cow. I'm gonna go ahead and do the 5 day, and I'm gonna delete these indicators because we don't want to see this. I'm just gonna have my price, and I'm gonna expand this here, and there you guys have it. Shiba Inu definitely is a cash cow where you just get money and take it out. It doesn't mean that you're leaving the project, right? It just means that you just wanna better, get better for your portfolio. So let's take a look at the poll. Let's see what we got for the poll. If you guys are liking the live so far, go ahead and give us a like. Let's get the likes to up to 100 or so. It's up to you guys. Appreciate your support. Thank you. So will Shiba ever reach 1 cent? And this is coming from my community, the Oscar Ramos community and beyond. If you are not subscribed, I encourage you to do so. You can always change your mind. Thank you for the support. And more than half of my viewers understand and believe it's not gonna reach 1 cent. And let me tell you, here's how we're gonna get a little bit of a better idea about the price. Welcome to Coin Perspective. Water break. You have 250,000 amp Jack Donovan. That's amazing. So here it helps me put cryptocurrencies in perspective, and that is exactly what you guys want to kind of take a look at and see. So we're saying here the only type of cryptocurrency I can compare Shiba Inu to will be Dogecoin. That's it. I cannot compare this to Bitcoin. I cannot compare this to Cardano or Ethereum. I cannot. Only Dogecoin will be the cryptocurrency that is above Shiba Inu that mimics exactly what Shiba is. What do you guys think? Congrats on making some dough. Absolutely. 375 billion to hit. Oof, look at that. So Dogecoin we are looking at, so here it is. If Shiba Inu had Dogecoin's market cap of 32 billion, one Shiba will be worth 4 zeros and 64, an upside of 190%. So even with Dogecoin market cap is not gonna get 1 cent. If I adjust this and increase the market cap, let's see. Look, this is the top. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure you guys see this. Here it is. There you go. I believe you now can see it too. Let me see. Yes, you now can see it on the screen. If I give Shiba Inu 2.2 trillion market cap, 2.2 trillion, the price will be 2 zeros and 44 per one Shiba Inu. Wow. 201x. So, yes. Anyone already excited for what's coming? Big says, I don't understand how Robinhood made the difference when everyone using Robinhood could have just downloaded a crypto app if they just wanted to trade. Robinhood is the worst. I can tell you, yeah, not many of us have a good experience with Robinhood. Everyone who's joining right now, welcome aboard. This is Oscar Ramos talking to you. We're talking about why Shiba Inu is crashing. And the quick answer to that, as you're seeing a comparison, if Shiba Inu had a market cap of 2.2 trillion, the price of Shiba it still won't be 1 cent. That was a question we had earlier in the live. What's happening right now is that it's just hype. Sad to hear, sad to say, but it's hype. And oftentimes, like I was saying, it does make sense to buy if you have the guts and if you just go for it and you have some money on the side that you just want to wing it and YOLO it, right? We all have different opinions, but my opinion will be, if somebody made a lot of money today, somebody is rich today, someone is a millionaire today because of Shiba Inu. We don't know them, we don't know where they live, but someone is. That's guaranteed. And that person's life has been changed forever today. Now, how can that be you, or how can that be me? Well, you have to select the cryptocurrencies that you believe, that you find attractive, that you think have that 10x, 100x potential. I have mine, and I'm going to share with you. Mine are AMP token, Algorand, Cardano. Those are my three that I'm putting a lot of money into it right now. Altcoins that are on the side, but I have them there. Shiba Inu happens to be I have a conflict to understand this type of cryptocurrencies, because it is like, it contradicts my way of investing. And I'm completely honest with you guys. Just want to share with you my thoughts. You are here watching the live. Why not, right? Maybe you can learn something, and you just kind of disagree. That's totally fine. My way of investing is more like long-term and not that risky, because cryptocurrencies is already risky. Like, crypto is already risky. If you go to the most stable cryptocurrency, which that will be Bitcoin drops from 55,000 all the way to 30,000 to 60,000 to 40,000. So it's risky. Now, Shiba Inu, shut up, right? So that is my way of investing, and so far it's been paying off well. I've been making money. So far, so good. On the other side of the spectrum, when it comes to Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, these are more driven by hype, community, and even influencers online. So definitely it's going to be foreign to a lot of investors that I could even name them retail investors. So we like it. We like it to see when you have all these pumps all the way to the moon. Yesterday, Bloomberg and Market Watch and many other articles, they were writing about Shiba Inu. The reason why is because the community, man, the community. And I kind of agree that it is that community coming from AMC, GameStop, Robinhood, Dogecoin. There's a strong, very strong community out there that demands this type of content, that demands this type of rush to fulfill their dreams at the speed they want. And that is exciting. And I need a little bit more of that. I need a little bit more of that, to be honest with you guys. I need to be able to kind of get away from my shell and say, you know what? I'm going to go in a little bit more. I'm going to go in a little bit deeper. I think I may be a little bit late for Shiba at the price that it is right now. Definitely, if it keeps dropping down, you're seeing right now the tick by tick 5-minute chart. I'm going to go ahead and remove the Bollinger Bands. This may be distracting. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in so you guys take a look at everything. Here it is. The highest price is 4035. Right now, I'm going to open this so you see the price on the right. There it is. There's the price. So this is what it is. So that's what I have on my mind. What do you guys think? And welcome aboard, guys. If you're liking the live, please go ahead and like, subscribe to the channel right now, and turn on those notification bells. Appreciate your support, guys. Let's go. So where's the Shiba army here? I want to see you guys. Can you say something? Okay. For OBS disconnected just a little bit, but we're back. We're back. OBS disconnected a little bit, but we are back. We're back. Is the OBS telling me that Shiba Inu is too powerful? We're back. We're back. What's up, Christian Valdez? Welcome aboard. Michaela, Coinbase sabotage their customers with Shiba Inu. Oh, really? Why is that? I'd like to know that. Roach724, there is no need for 500 plus quadrillion tokens. Shiba started as a joke and now is trying to legitimize its ecosystem. Yes, burn and make it more respectable supply. Yeah, I think that makes total sense, and it is not the only one that we wanted to burn tokens. Believe me, I know other ones that do have a lot of coins out there, and we wanted to be reduced or allocated differently. But it is what it is. Mm-mm. Michael Murray, I saw this morning when I realized he was going to dump. So you realize before a lot of people, Michael, that he was going to dump. It lost too much steam, and I knew it will drop. I didn't time it perfect, but I still made a nice profit. Michael Murray, that's because that's exactly why you guys do this. Definitely a cash cow, and I need to learn from that. I need to go in for these projects. I think the next one is Kishuino, right? Is the next one Kishuino, everyone? I definitely, if they go like if they arrive to Coinbase on Coinbase, I just gotta buy in like a decent position and just wing it and see if I can make more money. Definitely still learning on these meme coins. Absolutely. Oh yes, it's true. Coinbase went down last night. Yes, true. Yeah, I was checking some of my patrons telling me that. That's true. That is true. Immediately when there was a run up on Shiba, they log out Coinbase Pro customers and remove buy or sell. But no way, really, Michaela? Wow. Hey, Oscar, thanks for your videos. Anytime, appreciate your support. My videos, as you will see, are tailored to different cryptos, but on my lives, I tend to speak about different things. Grim the Reaper, Dim Oscar, welcome aboard, Dream. Appreciate it. I see. So people couldn't sell Shiba Inu on time. No way. Well, since I wasn't in, all that, I will say issues, I didn't realize that. But no way. That sucks really for Shiba Inu holders. That is no bueno. That I can tell you. That is no bueno. Let's go ahead and take a look at the changes in Coinbase. 21. I'm gonna go ahead and refresh. I'm here on CoinMarketCap. Shiba Inu was very close past Algorand, past Alcon, past Chainlink, was like at 14, 13 place. It was insane what Shiba Inu did. Right now, you see Shiba Inu dropping, everyone. Shiba Inu dropping. Big league. Let's go ahead and refresh this beauty. And I have this ready for you. Yep. Yeah, Shiba Inu is still dropping. Came back up a couple minutes ago and now continues to drop. It continues to drop. Let me see what place it's now. Place 22, and it keeps dropping. If it keeps dropping right now, it will come below Stellar and Cosmos easily. Shiba Inu before the pump was at place about 50. So if you guys see it at 50 back again, then definitely it's back to where it started. Here on trading activity on Coinbase, I see 82% buy. So yesterday was like 95% buy. So definitely there's more now people selling this beauty. Here's what the Shiba Inu official page on Twitter. They're really active, let me tell you. Take a look at this. Thank you, Shiba Army, for helping reach another milestone. 1 million followers on Twitter. That is big. That is huge. That is really something. Let's go back to here. Oh, it already dropped from the third to the second place. Already dropped here. It's starting, everyone. The sell-off continues. The sell-off continues. Believe, says Michael Murray. Mike, hey Oscar, long-time viewer here. Hey Mike, welcome aboard. I want to ask you about Stellar and what your thoughts are on Stellar. I want to see your opinion on this project. Definitely, Mike. If I'm not mistaken, Stellar is a blockchain, and at this time, the blockchains I focus more are other ones than Stellar, but I know Stellar is a good one. I'll take a look more in depth on Stellar very soon. But thank you for asking, buddy. Sam Mendes, Oscar, do you have an idea why this is happening? I do have an idea why this is happening. May not be the correct one, but this is it. It was hype. It was a lot of, pump and dump. Sad to say, but it is true, guys. If this is the first time that you're experiencing something like this, it's because you weren't here back when Dogecoin was around. Dogecoin had the same type of movement and the same type of feeling. So what you're seeing on Shiba Inu, it's because when back in Dogecoin, I got burned. I got burned. I bought some at a high and I had to sell at a loss. So definitely it is. I learned from my lesson, and I knew that if another dog cryptocurrency was coming to the market, I wouldn't be buying on it. But now that here's Shiba Inu, a new one, and well, definitely, I think I'm learning that when the growth is at the beginning of this, like at the beginning stage, it will be okay for me to start a small position to realize some good profits, and later on, get out. Like right now, get out. Liquidity is moving towards Robinhood. Wow, that'll be pretty cool, huh? Robinhood accepting. If Robinhood, of course, I believe there's something confirmed there, but Robinhood adding Shiba Inu in their portfolio, that will be massive, guys. Absolutely massive. You guys are liking the live, please go ahead and like, subscribe, turn on those notification bells. Today, we're talking about why Shiba Inu is crashing. Shib is crashing. So, was it expected? I know a lot of people that say yes, and a lot of people are gonna be holding. I know, I've been in those positions before. I've been there. Think there's a bottom? Yes, there's a bottom. And the bottom could be below the second level right here. If I had to guess, we're gonna see, just think about this. Put in your mind the lowest price Shiba Inu can reach today. Then when you have that number in your mind, add an even worse scenario. That's, I think, it's all the time that happens like that in cryptocurrencies. So if you think it's gonna reach somewhere here, it's gonna get somewhere here, guys. And then from here, we'll start to see a comeback. That's what I think, right? But I hope, of course, that is not the case. But definitely, I would agree that I don't think it's gonna come back to the price it was before, since there's now more people holding, and there's more hype, and there's more, pump. But this is definitely something else. Now, what can rescue Shiba Inu? Well, all the sellers, if they come back at a cheaper price, then the price will come up. At this time, of course, Shiba Inu has some good trades, Shiba Swap and other stuff, NFTs and other stuff. But I don't think that's enough for the price of Shiba Inu just reach on its own. It needs that buyer. It needs that pump from buyers. And that's what we saw here. But now we're seeing the total opposite. Hey, Hex Slams bought 2,000 worth of Shiba at 5 zeros. It is now down to... Oh, okay. Oh, X, you bought at the top. Gosh, X, my man. Whew. Bro, well, first and foremost, I feel what you're going through, because I've been there before. Like I'm saying, I got burned with Dogecoin. I learned my lesson, and that lesson saved me a lot of money in this case, right? Of course, I would have made a lot of money too if I wanted to join in early, but that's what it is. Scott Pomeri, that is what it looks like. That is gonna be on Robinhood, but we'll have to dig down a little bit more. Thank you, Michelino. X, I'll tell you to hold, because now you're buying into a movement. So I wouldn't sell if you if you want an answer, right? Now, for a lot of people, $800 is a lot of money. I've lost more money. So if you want to move to another crypto, I think $1,200 is a great place to start. But in other words, prepare and embrace for more losses as the price keeps crashing down. And one of the things you have to understand is that is that sellers don't care about your emotions. Sellers don't care about if you're losing money or earning money. They just want to make money. So you kind of have to be a step ahead of them. That's what happened when I sold a little bit of Ethereum, when I sold a little bit of Cardano. I was selling at the top and I was making my profit. Also, you kind of get to learn that in options too. You learn that in options, because in options, I'm talking about the stock market, options instruments. I mean, something different than crypto. But when it comes to options, I believe if you started just in crypto without without learning what stocks are or options are, options really give you a nice understanding of sense of urgency, because you have an expiration date. So you understand to add your calls, to add your triggers, to check the Fibonacci retracement, to check this, all of that. So that's what it is. Anytime, Hex, appreciate it. And everyone is saying hold, hold. Yeah, it sucks. Yes, it will get worse before it gets better. Absolutely. I happy to agree with that too. Never buy the top. Yes, Jesus is God. We all understand that. How do you know the top is? Let me teach you. So allow me to go to the year today, and let's go ahead and delete the Fibonacci. No, I'm gonna leave it right there. Here is the top. You see that? That is the relative strength index. Relative strength index. You need way more indicators. Sorry, guys. There it is. I'm back. You need way more indicators to make your position. I agree with that. But I like the RSI because it tells you immediately, you know, what's happening. This, guys, this is absolutely dumb. It was at 94. 94. So, yes, guys, I mean, absolutely. That is just going to be extremely overbought. And if I go to year to date and 1 year, that is the highest it's been ever since was listed here on this exchange, which is Binance. So, I mean, definitely like gives you an idea of what's going on with the price of Shiba, and when to sell it, when to buy it. Kind of the cycle repeats itself. Investing 1,000 on Shiba, GP. There you go. I wish you the best, honestly. If I want to start on Shiba, I do want to start a little bit later when the price, if the price drops a little bit down, but like more down, guys. What do you guys think? I still think that sellers are going to continue, you know, pushing the price down. That's cool. So let's go ahead and start adding some price channels here. Now, this is just basic technical analysis. Let's see if they respect, you know, that kind of wave there is, and when the price will change paths. Right now, the price is 21. I'm just gonna say the number at the end, 21, because there's just too many zeros. FTM, new Bitcoin. Yes, investing 1,000 euros. Shib coming out of the hole finally. Well, I wouldn't think so, Ville. There's still, you know, things that there could be a bit more selling. It could be a little bit more. We've seen this over and over and over again. I sold it all after Shiba up. After 6 days, I start to buy. Not a bad idea. I hope it crashes to 0.2 or 0.2 so I can load up again. Yeah, I will agree, guys, that I definitely want to load up if the price goes kind of like around this place. Let me go ahead and tell you here, because I do have my markers somewhere around here. Somewhere around here, I would like the price of Shiba Inu be. I think the ideal price will be 5 zeros. Right now it's at 4 zeros. So once it reaches 5 zeros, then that will be a good opportunity for me to start with a $50, $100, something like that. Why not? Because this thing is just starting. I know it's so weird for me to say, but this thing with Shiba Inu is just starting. This is not over with Shiba Inu. Dogecoin is not over. Shiba Inu won't be over. That is the reality. What do you guys think? So I'll see. So what happened to AMP token? It's just chilling right there. It's just chilling right there. I'm not moving my AMP, not moving my Algo, not moving my Cardano. My other cryptocurrencies are just doing very well right there. Not much to say about them right now. Hey, Oscar, I saw a few predictions of 0.50 for AMP by the end of the year. Oh, that was from BitBoy Crypto. He said that at the end of the year. How do you feel about this nice haircut, by the way? Thank you, my friend. I appreciate it. Yeah, I got my haircut yesterday too. Look, Kingsley, if BitBoy's crypto prediction of AMP token becomes a reality, I'll be extremely happy, because God willing, finally, our channel will grow even further, because that is the main cryptocurrency I cover. I love it and it is awesome. But realistically speaking, I don't think that will happen. I've said it over and over again, based on how we're looking right now, that specific crypto around 6 to 9 cents. If we get a very huge pump, about 10 cents. But 50 cents, BitBoy Crypto, I mean, honestly, I hope you're right, man. But I think that's a lot. Let's go to the 1-day view. Minute by minute, everyone. This is the most precise view that I can give you from my free version of TradingView. There it is. So it's very close. It's touching. There's the price. It's about to be touching the second level resistance. So that is good. But that also confirms that the price could keep dropping down. So we'll see. Everyone, welcome aboard. My name is Oscar Ramos, and I talk about stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies. If you like the live so far, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on those notification bells so you never miss an update. Talk about crypto and much more, because we want long-term growth little by little. That's what I'm all about, guys. So I'm pretty happy to have you here, and thank you for showing up. If you have a question, let me know in the comments below and in the chat. Fiat money, I think AMP could realistically hit 30 cents. Yes, please. Yes, please make that happen. ZX predictions. Cool. Whenever you think Shiba has hit the lows, let us know, Oscar Salvador Parada. Cool. My thoughts is that I don't think this is the lowest for Shiba Inu yet. I don't think so. That is my thoughts, my initial thoughts. But we'll need to see here on the 1 minute view, the buying, like the huge pumps, and that will tell me that buyers are coming in. That is one thing that it will immediately tell us that there's a change in the market for Shiba Inu. I bought Shiba at 508 and sold at 4027. Want to buy back with all my profits. What's the bottom? Hey Andy, congrats, you made a lot of money. I think so. So that is exactly what I should have done. But hey, I'm still living, so I still can redeem myself with Husky Inu or Kishu Inu, whatever Inu it is. Can't believe it, right? Whenever another dog type of crypto comes to Coinbase, I'm buying. That's it. Drop the mic. That's it. Because it's dumb. Like all those crypto, like they take all the traffic, all the attention on YouTube, they take all the volume, they take everything. Like it's insane, guys. It's insane. They take everything. So Shiba Inu, of course, for a couple of days took everything, and it is what it is. But the bottom for Shiba, you see right now, it was rejected here at the resistance, second resistance of 4022, and it seems to be dropping back down a little bit. So that's why Fibonacci really helps us see if it reaches the resistance and gets rejected, then it may come back down. If it continues crossing that, then of course that's a good sign. Things may be changing. Never trust a dog. I know. Oscar, the people I watch the most are the YouTubers with over 500,000 subscribers. Stay consistent, and I know you will be there soon. Absolutely, Faint Monkey. Absolutely. And I'm not rushing. I'm really enjoying my time. It's about connecting with the people. These are human beings, subscribers, viewers. We're all people, and we're all trying to make money. One other thing I was telling to my patrons, guys, if you are interested in getting my behind the scenes support, question and answer, and much more, check my links down below in the description. I have my Patreon, which talk to me on Discord, or right next to the subscribe button you have the join. Consider that if you want to support my work and much more. But I tell them, yeah, I mean, absolutely, this thing is long term, and I will be fine. Ample hit $1, $2 next bull run. Please, Jesus is God. I mean, I do agree we're gonna be seeing $1 in the upcoming years. If Flex and Network and everything, we got more bull runs ahead of ourselves. That's something I will agree with, definitely. But as of now, we're still checking with the crypto market. Very volatile and very unpredictable. Amp Nation, absolutely. Nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at here. So this is one thing that 4 hours ago Shiba Inu was announcing. We are proud to announce that that Shiba will be establishing a partnership with Now Payments. Now Payments will onboard the Shiba trifecta, Shiba, Leash, and Bone, starting with Shib burning a percentage on each transaction. More details to follow. So that is exactly one thing. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight this with, let's do cyan. I like this color. There it is. Burning. I think this is important. I think that is important for the Shiba Inu army. Why is that? Because getting rid of some of the coins, I mean, that helps things move a little bit easier and quickly. And then another milestone, Etherscan reports that they have closed the mark of 700,000 Shib holders. No kidding, really? Oh boy, they're kicking our AMP token butts. They're kicking our AMP token butts, which it makes total sense, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at Shiba, because Shiba is an ERC20 coin coming from Ethereum. So let's do Shib. You personally think that Shiba Inu is not a meme coin? Yeah. I think by definition it is a meme coin, but it's like people I will say with that are not involved as we are will see it as a meme coin. They see Dogecoin as a meme coin. Of course, they're gonna see Shiba Inu as a meme coin, but you and I understand that it is more than a cryptocurrency. Like, it is more than a meme coin. Yes. Look at this, 721,000. Man, that is something else. 721,000. Makes total sense why the price is going up, guys. Now, if we want to see the change, let's go ahead and take a look at here on CoinMarketCap, and let's do holders 1 month. So here it is. So imagine on September 8th, it was 655, and honestly, it's not that much. I thought it was gonna be even way more, but so far not that much. Maybe because people already sold off, so that could be one of the reasons why. I know, Mr. Frost. I know. Next bull run is supposedly 2024. I will say that we still have something left for 2021. Not as huge as we had when Bitcoin run all the way to 60,000. But I think we still have one left. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome aboard. Why is Shiba Inu crashing? Shiba Inu crashing? Well, let's go ahead and take a look at here. Year to date, baby. The hardest thing, if you are watching right now, I think here's one of the biggest truths out here. The hardest thing for Shiba Inu holders that are losing money because they bought at the top, which happens to be one of the biggest mistakes, right? The hardest thing to accept and to live through is consolidation for this type of cryptocurrencies. Extremely hyped, kind of pump and dump cryptocurrencies. Because after this nice run, we could see some type of consolidation for a while. Now, it is easy to say than done. It is easier said than done. Why? Because if people are excited for 3 days, right? Just take a look at this on the volume. Look at this. Just look at the sell-off, even greater than the purchases, right? In 1 day. This is per day. I don't think a lot of people know how to hold for all this time. I'm not saying that would happen, but what I'm saying is, if it keeps dropping and gets to a, obviously I do agree it could get to a price where it's not as high as the all-time price in 2020, or like in Q4 of $4.35. It could just stabilize for a while, consolidate, and stay there for a while, up until new buyers come in and start pumping this again. So that is my, because we're seeing that with other cryptocurrencies, it happens. That will be one of the most saddest things to see for this crypto. Because although there's great news online for Shiba Inu, there's always great news online for other type of cryptocurrencies, and you don't see them pump. Realize this, guys. Whales, they come and they go, and oftentimes they don't do it twice. So this might be the last time you saw Shiba Inu at this price. That is a possibility. 100% possibility. That is one. Another possibility is that this is just round one of the greatest time for Shiba Inu in 2021. So those are, because I've seen it. Like, I've seen it over and over and over again. And if you are just starting in crypto, I'm just kind of telling you the options there are. Chris and everybody, welcome. I sold 10% and waiting to buy in more, made nice profit. Happy for you. Happy for you. But people are taking profits, but it looks crashing. But it's just not. It's normal big rise like this. Romy could announce we will make Shiba rise again. Chill. Yep, that is why I'm still waiting for a little bit lower so I can start with a higher position. Oh boy. I'm a little bit under the weather today, guys, so my bad. Woof. Getting some side effects. But I'm feeling okay. Even though I'm feeling a little bit, not sick, but just weak, I like to stay here and chat with you and answer questions and just stay with you for a while, guys. So appreciate your support. Thank you so much for being here and asking questions. And if you don't mind, guys, and you'd like to hear more of me, go ahead and like the video right now and subscribe to the channel. Turn on those notification bells and welcome aboard. We'll talk about stocks, crypto, and much more. And honestly, we just have a good time. That's it. Really like it. Thank you so very much. Oscar, can you check out Shitoshi's recent post, please? Is that on Twitter? Oh, okay. I'll take a look at it, of course. I'm 20% down from last pump to 59. We're still dropping. ABO. Yeah, I know, buddy. I know. Thanks for telling me. I know very well. I know very well. Most likely, the well took advantage of Shiba community and bought for a pump and dump. Maybe Elon needed to make a payroll. Michael, I have to agree to a certain extent, right? I have to agree to a certain extent. Of course, that happens. So that's why I was kind of try to treat it carefully. Everyone gotta treat it carefully. So I'll do that, Crypto Prince. Why not? So let's see. Let's find Satoshis. You tell me if I'm on the correct Twitter because I have no idea what that is. Satoshi Kushama? Is that the one? Well, I don't see any prediction, but if you can tell me here, okay, it's the one. Who is this guy? Some call me hero, many call me the prince. So I suppose this is like a super Shiba Inu fan and holder. Recent post. I guess it's this one, right? Okay, I think this is the one. Well, it seems that it's gonna be a little bit more to read from me, so if you can just share like a quick summary, and I'll of course take a look. Developer. Oh, okay, he's a developer. Oh, thank you guys, appreciate it. Thank you. Well, I mean, he is the one making or maintaining Shiba Inu, so of course he's gonna be bullish. I mean, makes total sense, right? Makes total sense. So let's ask the community. Are you holding Shiba? Let's see how many of us watching are holding Shiba Inu, everyone. I have 160,000 Shiba Inu. Ha! I want to see someone beating me. 160,000 Shiba Inu, my friends. What do you think? and it got all the way to $5.50. Like it got pretty high in the pump. Got super high. I actually feel pretty good about holding it. I just have a good feeling about it. That's cool. That's cool. Here it is. 160,000, 3 million Shiba Inu. Go ahead and start posting if you want. What is your Shiba Inu position? If you want. Um, I share with you all my positions. I don't care. I mean, it's all secure. We have, let's see who has the most Shiba Inu here in the chat. Let's see who has the most Shiba Inu here in the chat. So I got 160,000, and I'm gonna be beaten down by everyone, of course. Crypto Prince, you have 121 billion. Wow. 7.2 million, 8 million. Amp only. Chris Cons, there you go. 3 million, 150 million, 2.5 million, 50 million, 26 million. Does the community know that Shiba passed Algorand Litecoin? Yes, I told them. Chris, and Shiba got 12 position here on CoinMarketCap. I saw it. I saw it yesterday when it was pumping, and it was fantastic to see. And kudos to the Shiba army. Honestly, you guys did it. Like Shiba Inu army did it. Let's go back to the price to keep analyzing as I keep reading. 8 million, 639 million, 56 million, 126 million. Crypto Prince, you are beating everyone here. I can't remember. I'm a mole man. No worries, buddy. Wow. Okay, so a lot of people have way more than me. I'm falling behind. It's all right, guys. Wow. That is insane, everyone. That is insane. Definitely, definitely. A lot of people are making the good monies. No choice but hold 14 million. Wow. Let's go ahead and close the poll. And poll. And let's see. 79, 80% of people hold Shiba Inu here in the chat. Wow. That is insane. Do you have Shiba? Of course I have Shiba. I have the most Shiba in the world. I have a lot of Shiba. I'm gonna be adding a couple more once, I find the price. Woof woof. Yes. What's reward from Algorand governance? Vitality, very good question. Anywhere from like 10 to 30%, depending on how many people actually are in the first governance voting one section. Good question. I'm all in algo, so I love it. Love the stuff. All my Algorand are committed to the governance. In April, when I made 10K, I had 2 billion Shivas I sold. Now I just have 56 million. Man. So the moral of the story is this, guys. Being risky, not really looking too much at the fundamentals when you're buying into these type of cryptos, right? It's gonna give you the monies, because of course it's not like you're gonna put all your portfolio in Shiba Inu, right? But some dumb amount that you don't care losing, that'll make sense. I'm thinking of selling 3 more altcoins. Do you use for Shiba buys? My man. Double J 0.00. How you doing, my man? Welcome aboard. 2 months plus member. Welcome, buddy. Appreciate it. It needs to crash back to more like 5 zeros. Yeah, I know. Yeah, because right now, even though you can still get a lot of Shiba, it's not enough, I think. Like, we need more. We need a bit more, right? Crypto Prince. I mean, lost 10K approximately in value today. Painful, but hoping for a better run with the release of the Shiboshi NFTs and hopefully Robinhood release. Wow, that hurts. I feel you, buddy. I feel you. It's all right. We've lost money too. Hopefully you learn and you go less hard next time. That's what I'll tell you, right? It is what it is. You knew the risk, but now, as a lot of people tends to say right now, dollar cost average if you have that. But I think I don't know how many Shiba you have, but I mean, wow, that's already a lot, I will say. How is it going down so fast? Because that's as fast as it climb up. It's as fast as it climb up in 2 to 3 days. It's gonna come back even in faster amount, because once whales and once all the buyers start selling, they're never gonna let you know, like on Twitter, hi guys, let me just tell you that we're just about to sell in 5 minutes. So no, sadly, I know, I mean, no, it is what it is. It's sad, like you're sleeping nice and stuff, just waiting for the next morning to be better, but more chances are that by then the price already dropped. Why? Because whales understand the markets and they know exactly when people won't be awake or won't be as active, and that's when they drain everything. It happens all the time. So it's coming back up a little bit more right now. Once again, getting confirmation that is breaking the resistance. You're still in profit. Nice. Yes, buy low or dollar cost average. That's the way you do this. That's the way you do this. With the cryptocurrencies that you want, that you understand that they have a great future, they have a great project, great founders. That makes total sense. Shiba wasn't on exchange back then. It was obviously on Uniswap and Bitmart, so better chances now. Yeah. And earlier in the year, Shiba Inu was everywhere, all over on TikTok. And that was the biggest deal ever. I didn't buy, of course, because I thought it was a scam. Completely honest with you guys. But it is what it is. It is what it is. The last 3 months of the year are the best to make the most money. I agree with that, buddy. I'm ready to make the monies. I'm well positioned in some of my. Hey, Nick, what up, buddy? I'm well positioned in some other positions, so we're ready. And the last purchases I'll do, more Cardano, more Algorand, and Chainlink, and a little bit of Shiba, and some index funds too. I recommend you guys taking a look at some index funds for long-term growth on your retirement account. A lot of guys don't like to hold positions on the weekend. I understand that. That makes sense, yes. Yeah, that's true. Hey guys, if you're liking the live so far, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. You can always change your mind, but that will help us a lot as we are, slowly but surely breaking the norm and sharing our journey here on YouTube, which is amazing. It's about connecting to people, making money, and documenting things. Why not? Indeed, someone made 60 million of Shiba. His name, Crypto Messiah. I was mind blown. Was wow. Yeah. Like I said a couple minutes ago, there's people who became millionaires today because of Shiba Inu. There's people outside who became millionaires today because of Shiba Inu. That happens. That is what it is. That's what it is. Well, my friends, I have to go because I have other stuff to do. But glad to reach out to my community. Shiba Inu, of course, starting this Sunday, was breaking all rules, was pumping hard. I had to say that it took me by surprise, but it's fine. Who cares about me? Cares about you, and if you made money, and that's what we care about, right? but I'm happy that I was making other positions, that I was, making money and getting some other foundations ready and done. If you are my AMP token holder or my AMP token subscriber, Algorand, Cardano, or any other subscriber, thank you for being here. I appreciate that a lot. And let me know if you have any questions, please. If you are a Shiba Inu subscriber or a viewer, or if you just got here by looking at the video, I want to welcome you with open arms in this community. All questions and comments are welcome. And we're just here documenting this story and having a great time, right? Please go ahead and serve yourselves with the chat. The price of Shiba Inu definitely crashed today, but can it change? Well, just to give you an idea, this price movement that we see right now, it's way better than this price. So definitely buyers are starting to come to the market, starting to arrive as sellers leave, right? So I do hope to see some more consolidation as the day goes on, but definitely very happy with what's happening and with people are making money. That's what we want to see too. Yes, Kristen, absolutely, gotta feel better, so we give you more content. That's all for me, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. If anything, let me know after the live ends. I'll give you more answers to your comments. Please be safe. Honestly, there's a lot to do, and this is just one out of many. Remember that. This is just one crypto out of many that if you're 20 or less than 20 or in your 30s or 40s, calm down. It's going to be fine. You got way more life to live. There's always going to be a next one. And you can make more money too. We're in the age of cryptocurrencies. We're in the age of fast and speed. Gotta be ready for that, okay? Have a good one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Check out my links down below for your free Bitcoin and stocks. If you, of course, consider becoming a member, that'll be awesome. If anything, let me know. No sugar, absolutely. Aaron, thank you. Kirk Brothers, appreciate it. Crypto Prince, Opochi, hey, how you doing, buddy? Nick, do you think Flexa caused the premature pump ramp, buying it for promised time refund lost amp? No, Flex is fine, buddy, no worries. Thank you guys. X, Bronson, thank you guys for staying here with me. And we're ready to leave. I'll see you next time, guys. Peace. Take it easy, guys. Have a good one. Gotta continue and gotta go back and relax. It's time to get better for tomorrow. Peace, guys. God bless. Take it easy.